Welcome to Academic Techies. Today we will be starting with the next tool which is your chamfer. So that sometimes the sketch needs this because the same thing we are doing in 3D in a much easier way. But sometimes your 2D sketch also needs a chamfer thing so that you can easily relate with the actual 3D modes. Okay, so we are going to start it now. So it's just what similar like corner. If you have now not gone through that videos, you can go through that also. It's just a previous video, right? Okay, so this is a 13 number video. When starting this, select this command. I have drawn this lines, horizontal line and a vertical line intersecting to each other so that you can have corner between them. So, okay, there are some 4 quadrants which are forming over here, but you will be having sketches like this and having some intersection, or maybe something which is having just a corner like this. Okay, but drawing like this will be much easier for you to understand, right? So I am just starting trim all elements first. That's your sketch tool, and where you can have its sub commands. Okay, 1 2, and you can see that you have a chamfer. This is standard chamfer. Like this you will be getting this. You can also change its dimension just by selecting this and this. You have learned that in constraints. Okay, like this. So next is your M1 start, and again M1 for this, which is the first trim first element. Whatever will be selecting first, I'm selecting this first, and then this. You can have that this has been has been trimmed. Okay, next is your no trim. Okay, it will keep both of your sides, and the chamfer will also be there. Next, what is the standard lines trim? For this, just select this. You can see that the rest portion is gone, and the remaining is your this lines. Okay, like this. Next is again your construction line trim. This and done. Whatever will the rest part which is not coming within that chamfer will get trimmed, and the portion on which it has trimmed, it will be getting into construction lines. Okay, so that's what it is. These lines will help you for giving dimension from this corner to some another corner. Okay, so that you because you cannot give dimension on this slope. Okay, sometimes you first give dimensions, then you have your chamfer, so it will just indicate some error box which will ask you to just remove that dimensions or have a construction lines over that. For that, this thing is given to you directly. Next is your construction lines with no trim. It will be like this only, no trim like. Okay, so it will form a construction lines from there. So you can use all of them while drawing your sketches in a much better way. Learning this and practicing this will keep you motivated to use the things which will make your process easier, so that you can make that sketches faster and have the 3D parts from them in much speedy way. Okay, because learning limited commands will limit your speed. Okay, so that I am teaching you all of these commands on my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. If you are liking my content, comment, and please share to the needies so that This data is very free to you. You can just have access to it anytime. Quickly, I am going to have some websites for you, so that it will be more very somewhat very innovative type of thing. And you can just have, if you have some innovative type of things in your mind and you don't know how to keep it on paper, and just you are just thinking of that ideas and it's remaining in your mind only. But from here in the display on that platform, I'll be helping you to bring out that idea on the paper, and so that you can have its further use, or maybe though it's getting rejected, but at least you will place that in on somewhere, so that you can try for something better next time. Okay, thank you guys.